In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring products with GoHighLevel. If you're selling subscriptions, memberships, retainers, or any service that bills customers on a schedule, setting up a recurring product is the key. I'll walk you through exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can enable recurring billing with confidence. Once you're inside your GoHighLevel account and viewing your workspace, start by heading to the Payments area. This is the hub for everything related to getting paid. Opening Payments gives you access to transactions, invoices, and the product catalog we need. Next, go to Products. Think of this as your library of items customers can buy. This page lists what's already available and is also where you'll add something new. From here, choose Create Product. This opens the Product Setup screen. You'll see sections for details like name, description, and images, plus the price configuration we're about to adjust. Use clear, customer-friendly names so it's obvious what they're subscribing to. That makes checkout and reporting easier later on. Now switch over to the Pricing section. Pricing controls how the product charges the customer. Even if you preview other options, the recurring behavior is determined here, so this is the most important area for subscriptions. By default, products start as a one-time purchase. Change that setting from one-time to recurring. That single change tells GoHighLevel to treat purchases of this product as subscriptions. Once it's set to recurring, you'll notice options that relate to subscription behavior, such as the billing interval and count. These fields let you control renewal timing and limits without touching anything else on the page. They're helpful to review so the product behaves the way you expect during checkout and renewals. As you review, double-check that the currency and amount reflect what you want customers to see on checkout, and make sure the description clearly communicates what's included each billing cycle. Clear pricing details reduce refunds and support tickets. That's it. You clicked into Payments, opened Products, created a new product, went to Pricing, and switched the purchase type from one-time to recurring. With that in place, your product is ready to function as a subscription inside GoHighLevel, and you can use it across funnels, checkout links, and automations as you normally would. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.